Welcome to Ader Hub channel. You are watching top 5 best Ethernet cable. I included product links in video description below. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please like this video, if you enjoy it. Number 5. BIFALE Cat6 Riser, CMR Ethernet Cable. Easy installation, in order to reach the time-saving goal. BIFALE CMR Riser rated cable has been packaged in a tangle-free, easy-pull, environmental-friendly box. Indoor application, the BIFALE CMR Riser rated cable is for use in between floors, in wall, and non-plenum spaces. It prevents fires from spreading floor to floor in vertical installations with mild flame retardants. Number 4. Microconnectors Solid STP, Bulk Ethernet Cable. Shielded cables designed to prevent EMI interference and ensuring best signal possible. 23 Aruban fluorescent individual solid pure copper conductors for permanent installation. Full 10 gigabit network speed at 500 MHz performance. Ideal for PO and VoIP applications, where data loss is audibly and visually seen and heard. Number 3. TrueCable Solid Bare, Copper Ethernet Cable. 550 MHz, ETL listed, unshielded twisted pair. UTP Bulk Ethernet Cable. Pure bare copper produces a stronger signal along with better conductivity and flexibility when compared to copper-clad aluminum. For use indoors. The blue riser rated jacket is for use in between floors, in wall, and non-plenum spaces. Help fires from spreading floor to floor, in vertical installations with mild flame retardants. Number 2. BIFALE Cat7 Ethernet Outdoor Cable. Heavy-duty upgraded outdoor PE jacket is more durable than PVC. Be made of triple shielding, SSTP and 100% 4N pure OFC conductors. Cat7 Outdoor Ethernet Cable can direct burial, UV waterproof. Protect against EMI RFI, low signal attenuation, for long-distance transmission. Number 1. Monoprice Cat6A Plus, Bulk Ethernet Network Cable. Buy with confidence, with Monoprice's lifetime warranty on all cables. CMR Riser rated. Unshielded twisted pairs. 1000 feet spool. Great for 10G environments.